Remember the thrill of crypto? The promises of decentralized finance, of a future where money flowed freely, untethered from traditional banks. Gemini, once a beacon of stability in this volatile world, now finds itself embroiled in a crisis. But what does this mean for you? Will you see your hard-earned money again? Let's dive in. The crypto landscape has always been a roller coaster. But the recent collapse of FTX sent shockwaves through the industry, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Gemini, a platform known for its regulated approach and focus on security, wasn't immune to the contagion. Their Earn program, which promised high yields on crypto deposits, has been frozen, leaving investors in limbo. The core issue, the Genesis saga. At the heart of this crisis lies Genesis Trading, a lending arm of the Winklevoss twins company. Genesis, heavily exposed to FTX, faced a liquidity crunch. This effectively froze Gemini's Earn program, as many of the funds held there were lent out to Genesis. Now, investors are left wondering, where's my money? Will I ever see it again? Legal battles and uncertainties. The situation has escalated into a legal battle. Gemini has filed a lawsuit against Genesis's parent company, Digital Currency Group, DCG, accusing them of orchestrating an unlawful and deceptive scheme. DCG, in turn, has denied these allegations. This legal wrangling adds another layer of uncertainty for investors. Exploring potential outcomes. So, what are the possible outcomes? Scenario 1, in negotiated settlement, Gemini and DCG could reach an agreement, potentially involving a partial or full repayment of funds to Earn program participants. This would likely involve some form of restructuring or a significant financial contribution from DCG. Scenario 2, bankruptcy and liquidation. If a settlement isn't reached, Genesis could potentially file for bankruptcy. This would trigger a lengthy legal process, with investors likely becoming creditors and potentially receiving a fraction of their original investments. Scenario 3, regulatory intervention. Government regulators could step in to protect investors, potentially through new regulations or by appointing a receiver to oversee the recovery process. It's important to note that these are just potential scenarios, and the actual outcome remains highly uncertain. Beyond the legal and financial complexities, it's crucial to remember the human cost of this crisis. Many investors, some of whom may have invested their life savings, are facing significant financial hardship. The uncertainty and anxiety caused by this situation can have a profound impact on people's lives. What can investors do? What can investors do in the meantime? Stay informed, keep up to date on the latest developments in the legal proceedings and any potential settlement negotiations. Seek legal advice. Consult with a qualified attorney specializing in securities or cryptocurrency law to understand your legal rights and options. Consider joining investor groups. Connect with other affected investors to share information, support each other, and potentially pursue collective action. Document everything. Maintain meticulous records of all your investments, transactions, and communications with Gemini and other relevant parties. Remember, this is a complex situation with no easy answers. Patience and perseverance will be crucial for investors seeking to recover their funds. The Gemini crisis serves as a stark reminder of the risks inherent in the cryptocurrency market. It highlights the importance of thorough due diligence. Investors must carefully research and understand the risks associated with any cryptocurrency investment, including the underlying technology, the team behind the project, and the regulatory landscape. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your crypto portfolio across different assets and platforms to mitigate risk. Regulatory clarity. Clear and robust regulations are crucial for protecting investors and fostering a healthy and sustainable crypto ecosystem. Investor education. Educating the public about the risks and benefits of cryptocurrencies is essential to empower investors to make informed decisions. The future of cryptocurrency remains uncertain, but by learning from past mistakes and advocating for a more responsible and regulated market, we can work towards a future where crypto can live up to its potential. The road ahead for Gemini and its investors is likely to be long and challenging. However, by staying informed, seeking legal counsel, and advocating for their rights, investors can increase their chances of recovering their funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.